Let's explore what features NotesPro has. First, let's see how we can open a note. You can open it either as a scene overlay or from the Tools menu. Inside a note, you can create a regular note, a TODO list, or a Kanban-style note. The asset also supports profiles and groups. You can assign a note to a group and create different profiles. Now, let's take a look at all types of notes. The first type is the default note, where you can simply write in a notepad style. The second type is the TODO list. Here, you can add list items and mark them as completed when done. It also features a slider and a percentage indicator showing progress, and you can reorder the list items as well. The third type is the Kanban mode. Here, you can assign colors to columns, rename them, create new ones, and drag and drop items between columns. All notes have a tagging system to help you assign tags and easily search them from the search section. There's also an attachments section where you can add any files you need. You can change a notes group from the Groups section. You can assign a dot color to every note. You can also turn all three note types into sticky notes. With NotesPro, you can capture all your notes and ideas directly inside Unity. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.